You absolutely cannot have any type of business without producing content for your audience. It is the heart and blood of everything that you're doing. And it's 100% the one thing you cannot eliminate from your process. So let's have a conversation about why you don't like creating content and how we can get you to fall in love with the whole process. So I would argue it comes down to 3 things. Number 1, you don't know what to say. Number 2, you don't know who you're actually talking to. Or number 3, you're not sure what types of content to be posting. So before I go ahead and share how you can absolutely love creating content that your ideal clients wants to see, if you don't know who I am, I'm Claire and I work with people who want to build an online business around your knowledge, your skills, your passions and the things that set your soul on fire. From monetizing your cleaning business, from selling your candles, your shirts, or selling some type of digital product, it really doesn't matter. And I help you to do this by using your words and turning them into pre-selling and personal branding content so you can monetize from your social media. So the first type of content is the power of your story. And this type of content connects and builds your audience, because if you're talking to a cold audience and you're brand new, they're not going to give 2 hoots about your services and how much it is, etc. So you're going to talk about your story. You're going to document your journey. You're going to talk about your challenges, your struggles, and the things that you've been doing. The things that pissed you off in your business and what you really found hard and how you've overcome that. Number 2 is going to be bold, thought-provoking content. And let me give you an example of that. Let's say that you have run your business through done-for-you systems and strategies, and you've wanting to move away from that, and you have some ha-ha moments that you want to share. So you're going to create thought-provoking content, which is an opinion that you are going to voice to your audience. Example of an opinion: you don't need to go viral to have a 6-figure income online. Here's why you'll burn out fast before you see any success. So you're going to say that and go into it, and that is your bold, thought-provoking content. And make sure you hit the first comment for the 3rd and 4th type of content. Ciao for now.